With the head to the roof and stuff.
Beautiful poplar cabin here. A buddy of mine built this. Kind of give you guys an outside look at it. Mostly solid poplar construction. There is some pine on the inside, he said. Board and batten siding. As you can tell, everything. Local hardwoods on this. We will be going inside. Incredible. Like, subscribe, comment. Appreciate it. Just so everybody can see the scenery around this. Beautiful creek running through. All these beams under here came off the property around here. Kiln dried 4x12s. You guys can see. Absolutely gorgeous view here. So all these rocks have come out of the hillside. They were moved here. The guy who built it, his excavator, one at a time. Get ready to go on in. Just the view itself, even without the cabin, this is gorgeous. And as we get in, solid poplar floors. Excellent for construction, poplar. These are those reclaimed beams. Beautiful. Like I said, most of it is poplar. The walls, pine. Oh, this is just incredible. Yes, as far as poplar as a building material, definitely the way to go. In abundance, and it's strong stuff. We come in here to the master. Beautiful room. Walkout porch here. And again, just look at that view. Stunning. And the railing was all crafted by another friend. Steel construction. The wires here, very sturdy. Treated lumber for this, as well as the posts down there, but everything else, a lot of poplar, board and batten. Beautiful, beautiful construction. Same with those beams up there. You guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment. More to come. All right, so more of those reclaimed barn beams, 200 years old. Those barn beams are. Now this is going to be a bunk room. You'll have, a bunk up top, bottom, kind of storage closet, and that is actually built into the side of that hill that everybody saw in the beginning. Now, kind of, as well as that. And so, going to probably my favorite spot, out here onto this porch. And would you look at that? Again, showcasing the poplar construction, board and batten. Almost all this wood was claimed off this property, sawn locally, grown locally. Beautiful cabin. One more look at the view. You guys enjoy. Like, subscribe, comment. A lot more to come.